Maruti Eeco service cost. First service free. Second service at 10,000 km rupees 1,796. Third service at 20,000 km rupees 3,646. Fourth service at 30,000 km rupees 3,646. Fifth service at 40,000 km rupees 5,446. Sixth service at 50,000 km rupees 3,646. Approximate service cost for Maruti Eeco Petrol from second to sixth service is rupees 18,180. Maruti Eeco engine oil rupees 1,696. Oil filter rupees 100. Air filter rupees 300. Spark plug 650 rupees. Coolant 500 rupees.